back to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside the world's most beautiful and inspiring luxury homes. Today, we're stepping into an exceptional modern family residence that perfectly balances elegance, comfort, and contemporary design. From the very first glance, this home makes a powerful impression. As we approach with a stunning drone day view, the architecture immediately stands out. Clean modern lines, a bold black exterior, blue glass accents, and subtle yellow highlights create a striking yet welcoming presence. This is a house designed not just to impress, but to be lived in and enjoyed every day. As we enter the home, the grand entrance foyer sets the tone. A double-height ceiling welcomes natural light, while black marble flooring reflects elegance and sophistication. Soft yellow ambient lighting adds warmth, creating a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. This space instantly tells you that every detail in this home has been carefully considered. Moving forward, we arrive in the main living room. Designed for relaxation and family time, this lounge features plush black seating paired with blue accent cushions and warm yellow lighting. Large windows flood the space with daylight, while a statement TV wall makes it perfect for both entertaining guests and enjoying cozy family evenings. Next, we step into the heart of the home, the open-plan kitchen and dining area. This space is designed for modern living. Sleek black cabinetry, a blue backsplash, and elegant yellow pendant lights come together beautifully. The large marble island not only serves as a functional workspace but also as a social hub where family and friends can gather. The dining area flows seamlessly from the kitchen, making it ideal for both casual meals and formal dinners. Just beyond, sliding glass doors connect the indoors to the outdoors, creating a sense of openness and freedom. The outdoor area is designed for both relaxation and play, offering space for seating, family gatherings, and children's activities, while maintaining a clean and luxurious look. Heading downstairs, we discover a private family lounge and entertainment area. This space is perfect for movie nights, games, or simply unwinding away from the main living areas. The lighting, color palette, and layout make it feel cozy yet upscale, a true retreat within the home. The home also includes a fully equipped private gym, designed for convenience and wellness. With black flooring, blue accent lighting, and modern equipment, this gym allows the family to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving home. Now let's move upstairs to the bedroom level, where comfort and privacy take center stage. Each bedroom has been thoughtfully designed with a consistent color theme of black, blue, and warm yellow tones. These rooms offer calm, comfort, and functionality, making them perfect personal retreats for every family member. The primary master suite is truly a highlight. Spacious, elegant, and serene, it features a luxurious bed setup, soft lighting, and refined wall panels. Large windows bring in natural light while maintaining privacy. The attached ensuite bathroom feels like a five-star hotel, complete with black marble finishes, a blue glass shower, and soft yellow lighting that creates a relaxing spa-like atmosphere. Additional spaces such as a prayer room provide a peaceful and spiritual environment within the home. Designed with simplicity and calmness in mind, this room offers a quiet retreat from the busy pace of everyday life. Finally, the garage completes the tour, featuring a modern design with clean finishes, accent lighting, and ample space for luxury vehicles, combining practicality with premium aesthetics. This home is a perfect example of modern luxury living, where style meets functionality and every space has a purpose. From the architectural design to the interior details, it reflects thoughtful planning, quality craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of family living. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive luxury home tours from around the world.